Are you tired of the same old dating apps that just don't seem to work? In this video, we're diving into the 10 best fluff dating app alternatives that can help you find real connections without the usual frustrations. Be sure to watch the whole video, because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. Number 10. Hinge focuses on meaningful relationships and prompts users to share more about themselves. This helps you connect with others on a deeper level. Number 9. Coffee Meets Bagel encourages you to take your time with dating, sending you one curated match each day. This reduces the overwhelm of endless swiping. Number 8. Bumble empowers women to make the first move, which can create a more comfortable environment for everyone. It's a refreshing change from traditional dating dynamics. Number 7. OkCupid uses a detailed questionnaire to match you with like-minded individuals. This can lead to more compatible matches based on shared interests and values. Number 6. eHarmony is designed for serious relationships, helping users find long-term partners through a comprehensive personality assessment. It's perfect for those looking for commitment. Number 5. Match.com has been around for a long time and focuses on helping you find serious relationships through its extensive network. Its user-friendly features make it easy to navigate. Number 4. Plenty of Fish offers a mix of casual and serious dating options, making it versatile for all types of relationships. You can communicate easily with others through its messaging features. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now let's continue. Number 3. Facebook dating lets you connect with friends of friends in a more organic way. This can lead to mutual connections and shared interests. Number 2. Her is a fantastic app for LGBTQ+ women, non-binary and trans folks, creating a welcoming space for meaningful connections. It fosters community and inclusivity. Number 1. Tinder may have its reputation, but it's great for quick connections if used wisely. Just be sure to set your intentions to find what you're really looking for. Bonus number 1. Field is perfect for open-minded singles and couples exploring non-traditional relationships. It allows you to express your desires freely. Bonus number 2. The League focuses on matching ambitious professionals. This can help you connect with like-minded individuals who share your drive. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.